this dumpling.
Okay, trading this one.
Okay, I'm gonna trade this puppet.
Accept.
I accept.
Unja diretso ng
Oh my god, you just
na ay
stabbed me!
kung ano nga na mo rent ini ko.
Oh my god, how dare you! That's so... Where's your dumpling?
A dump.
Then what is this? How dare you? I literally have my own dumpling. It's like, this is a mini dumpling.
At least you got a lagyan. You already have two.
Or magpatabang ka na sa posting mo.
Be lucky. Hey, do you want to trade for this? Wait,
I'm gonna trade for this dumpling.
I'm gonna trade for this thing that I got from Singapore.
Add.
Okay.
Add.
I see like Bro, this I'm gonna add this dog. I have a lot. Hey! 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 Hey!
Add. This is like a super rare dumpling.
Sige ta,
Fine, I'm giving you the subscriber.
Add.
You're so strict.
Add. This is pretty nice.
Here!
Add.
Oh, lagi.
Here!
Add. This is super rare. No, gusto nito ni
Here!
Add.
Here!
Add.
Here!
Add.
Here!
Sugar.
Here!
Hi.
Hi!
You need to add.
Busy.
Bro, you keep adding!
Naligaw ka na siya. Dali na
Try to
gagawa.
add this and then this.
Add more.
As in, tagal hantik na kaingan na bata ta.
Add.
Sugar doon ka na kay tita. Bigay ka na namin.
Oo, dyan na lang sa'yo, tita.
Sugar, bigay ka na namin kay tita.
No! Never! Never ever.
Add more.
Fine!
Add
more.
Mm.
Add everything.
Okay, fine. Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh, alikaran.
You need more.
Oh!
You need to add more.
There's so many.
You need to add more.
There's so many. There's no. Oh my god, there's no. There's none.
Add more.
Don't add this dumpling.
You need to add more, though.
Flores de Mayo, nagpili na doon.